Let me tell you something. Content creation did not give me millions. It did not make me famous overnight. It did not magically blow up my channel, but it completely changed my life. And the craziest part, it changed my life even before it changed my numbers. If you are a small creator, if you feel stuck, if you are overthinking posting your next video, this might be the most important video you will watch today, because I'm going to tell you exactly how content creation transformed my life, mentally, emotionally, and practically, even before I saw big results. Stay with me till the end of this video. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelvin, the creator behind Grow with Kelvin, and on this channel I teach both small and new content creators how to grow fast and smarter on YouTube. With my strategies that I use, they work for me, I come here and share, and the ones that don't work for me, I still come here and share, so you don't make the same mistake that will get you stuck. But today, this is personal. No strategy, no hack, no how to go viral. Just my real journey. Because before content creation changed my subscribers, it changed me. And I think that's the part nobody talks about on YouTube. So let's start from the beginning. The very first point is my overwhelming era. Before I ever posted consistently, I was an overthinker. I'm someone who is very skeptical when it comes to anything social media or anything that has to do with life. I'm very skeptical. I don't just make decisions. Yes, before I make a decision, I need to analyze it and know how the feedback will be before I go in for any decision. And if you bring something to me, I need to look at it skeptically. So I will plan videos in my head, create titles, imagine thumbnails, imagine how people will react, but I won't post. Why? Because I wanted it to be perfect. Perfect lighting, perfect editing, perfect scripting, perfect delivery, perfect strategy. I was waiting to feel ready, but here is what I learned. Overthinking feels productive, but it's just procrastination in disguise. I wasn't building a channel. I was building fear. Fear of judgment, fear of low view, fear of what people will talk, fear of embarrassment. The more I overthought, the more I delay. Content creation changed my life the moment I realized this. Action builds confidence. Thinking builds anxiety. All the perfection I was waiting for, it was not like the perfection. It was just fear. Now let's go to the second point. My first video I ever posted as a content creator. I still remember posting my first video. It wasn't perfect. It wasn't cinematic. It wasn't strategic, but it was real. I remember my first video was just raw. No editing skill, just something I went to CapCut, just cut and join, no transition, nothing. And when I posted it, nothing crazy happened. Yes, when I posted it, nothing happened. No explosion, no viral moment, no 10,000 views. But something powerful happened inside me. I proved to myself that I could start. That first video broke something inside me. It broke the fear of publishing. And that's when I understood something. Your first video is not about view, it's about identity. You go from somebody who wants to start YouTube to a YouTuber, and that shift changes everything. Now let's talk about how content creation changed me. Content creation changed my discipline, because you can't grow without consistency. It changed my communication, because talking on camera focuses you to think clearly. At first, I was skeptical, not because of all the fancy or whatsoever. What made me to delay is because of me showing myself talking on camera. My first channel was faceless, because I just want to do it faceless so people will not know I'm the one. But later on, I realized that, okay, if I can do it faceless, that means I can show my face, and I created this channel to come up and start showing up my face. And I've seen massive growth starting this particular channel. It changed my confidence, because anytime I press record, I'm choosing courage. And it also changed how I see failure. Now, low views don't destroy me, they teach me. Bad thumbnails don't discourage me, they train me. Content creation didn't just give me a platform, it gave me growth. And even though my channel is still growing, I'm not the same person that I was when I started. Now, let me share with you the lesson I have learned in my content creation journey. Lesson number one, nobody cares about your video. This might sound very harsh, but it freed me. People are busy, people are scrolling, people forget in seconds. That fear of what will people think, they are not thinking about you. And that's freedom. It means you can experiment, you can fail, you can improve publicly. Once I accepted that, I stopped being paralyzed. Now, lesson number two, start messy. If you wait until you are ready, you will never start. Start with bad lighting, start with basic editing, start with 10 views. Messy action beats perfect delay. My early videos were not amazing. I just started out of nothing. I didn't even know what I was doing, but they were necessary. They helped me to start. Because you don't start good and then get confident. You start messy and then get better. Lesson number three that have helped me so much is adopt student mindset. The moment I stopped trying to look like an expert and start acting like a student, everything changed. Now I study thumbnails, I study retention, I study storytelling, not from ego, but from curiosity. A student mindset keeps you improving, while an ego mindset keeps you stuck. And on YouTube, the learners win long term. So now, what does the future hold for me as a content creator? Honestly, growth, not just numbers, but skills, better storytelling, better clarity, better strategy, better impact. I don't know exactly how big this channel will become, but I know one thing for sure, I am not quitting, because content creation is not just something I am trying, it's who I'm becoming. And if you are watching this, maybe it's who you are becoming too. If you are a small creator and you have been overthinking, this is your sign to post. Comment below what one video you have been scared of to post. Let's talk about it. And if you want to grow smarter and faster on YouTube, subscribe to this channel and book for my one-on-one coaching session where I and my team will review your channel, tell you the things that are stopping your channel from growing, the things you need to do and the things you need to stop doing. The link is in the description, because here we are building creators and not just chasing views and subscribers. See you on my next video.